Hello everyone, this is Chirub Goswami and today I'm going to tell you about a company called Next & Co. So let's get started. So at first we'll look at the content, what I'm going to share about the company, that is introduction about the company, about the project, about my designation and the strategies what I've done to develop the business. So let's get started with the company called Next & Co. As we heard about that it's a research and product development company located in Pune and in US, and basically it's a research driven company where they build up their own skills and love to face existing challenges. So let's talk about the departments in which a company have. The got two departments. One is the sales department, and the other one is the development team. And as an intern, I got selected for a sales team, and I'll tell you about my designations and everything. So basically, this is our team in which the VG Menon, who is the founder and business head, and we are doing internship under him only. And this is all about my designation. As an intern, I got an opportunity to conduct as a business development executive. And as an intern, we have assigned as sales and lead generation. So before going into the tasks, we have been given tasks, for example, the analysis of different analysis. For example, competitive analysis, then comes with the project analysis, then comes with the product analysis, in all kind of and paperwork in Excel sheet. Later on, we are into the sales field. So currently, we are handling all kinds of grocery items because my product is a Grow app. Grow app is nothing but a customization application. Like for example, Amazon, Flipkart, like for a particular stores, right? And Grow Up is a particular customization application in which we can well, all the grocery items are available out there. And these are some products which I was talking about. Like it is like all the essential products are available out here. And later on, we are adding pharmacy as well. And about my latest work is that whenever we are targeting the people, we are targeting all the customers. For example, we're doing all that is the reason we are doing all kinds of analysis. And that is the reason now we are doing marketing analysis so that we can understand the market better than the other customers. And now by conducting the market analysis, we are going through some research. For example, the conduct keywords research by the product names, like what exactly the market needs. Then comes with the descriptions, then utilizing the social media, then building an online store to test whether that what is the response of the people, and then comes with the temperature check of the social media. Then these are some companies in which like the top the company market share have represented their share. For example, how much what is the growth rate per year and every detail, which I have covered in the research paper as well. And later on, these are the tools in which I am using in the internship for collecting all the data and for the payment mode as well. Now coming to the flow of the business in which we are doing a concept research and validate the customer. Actually, this is a flow for every business, but for the our company, this is the actual flow, and that is the reason I've kept in my presentation. And now explaining about the different strategies. For example, until and unless you have a secure payment method in e-commerce website or any application, people are not going to trust you. Even I made in the research paper as well, I have seen people are not trusting the online payment rather than the cash on delivery. So that is the reason we should secure the payment option more. And the second one is building an effective commerce, for example, planning to create it, distributing among the people, and then to evaluate in a proper, equal basis. Then comes of the marketing solution. So how we can attract the customers, how we can spend billions rather to spend on marketing so that people get attracted by social media marketing, by web design, by digital marketing, by mobile commerce, by posting ads in different platforms, etc., etc. And then comes what is the challenges. For example, as I told you, like people are trusting the online transaction certain portal. So on online transaction, then fear factor, cash on delivery, logistics, all these are challenges for the company in which we have to secure all these things. Still, there is a risk factor comes into the matter. And what are the now? I'm come to a conclusion, almost a conclusion, where I'll tell you what I've acquired from this presentation, or rather what I've acquired from the internship. So the first one is the product analysis. So whenever we're going to buy any product, for example, it may be a toothpaste or maybe it's a washing machine. So we have to analyze it, and rather we need to understand what the customer is going to need. And that is the reason we have to understand the value, the feature, the design, and then how much it is feasible to it. We should all design in a sequential manner. Then comes with the market research. this is the most important research we have to do. For example, identify the problem, like what the customer requirement, then comes with the development of the research plan. Then third one is the conduct research, analyze and report the findings with the senior members of the team, and then take action. Take action means implementing it in a better way. Then comes with the competitive analysis. The competitive analysis includes the strength, the weakness, opportunities, and threats. So these are compared with different companies. For example, my product is Grow app. So it's a customization application where you look at all kinds of grocery products. And right now I have compared with all kinds of applications. For example, the Grow app, then comes with the Big Basket. So I have compared their strength, weakness, what are their threats, and what are the opportunities, so that we can grab the market. And the last one is the social media, targeting people through social media. Of course, this is the most important thing in today's generation, because everyone is using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everyone. And they keep on getting ads over and over in YouTube, in Facebook, so that it injected in our brain. And that's how we should increase our business by slow, but yes, we'll make it successful. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much. And yes, I have taken references along these websites, for example, grocery and all these things. And that's all from my side. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you so much.